Welcome everybody to the TactoTek talk. I have the pleasure today to introduce Dave Rice, the Senior Vice President of Marketing and Business Development at TactoTek, and they invented an awesome technology called structural InMold Electronics. And he will tell us a bit more today about how they can make surfaces smart. So, Dave, over to you. Have fun.
Great. Thanks very much, Christoph. And thanks to everyone for joining us today. I'm really looking forward to the time when we can meet in person and I can hand some of these parts to you, because once I do, it makes the technology really clear. My objective today is to share some information about our IMSE technology that I hope helps you learn whether it might be a good solution for you. And that's the case whether you're an automotive OEM, a consumer brand, a manufacturer, or a supplier of inputs for IMSE with whom we partner. TactoTek develops and licenses injection molded structural electronics technology, what we call IMSE. We license that technology to manufacturers who globally sell and mass produce IMSE parts. So why is a new method of building electronics interesting? Well, really, electronics have penetrated all aspects of our lives, whether it's in our cars, at home, at work, or even when we play. Electronics are becoming more pervasive. Increasingly, electronic functionality and styling drive user experiences, value perceptions, and product differentiation. Use cases are expanding and also placing new demands on integration of electronic functionality. Yet, while the uses of electronics have changed dramatically over the last several years, structures haven't. Conventional electronics have lots of parts, significant assembly depth that makes them impractical for many use cases and difficult to integrate, and a high total cost of ownership. These factors contribute to the growing demand for smart surfaces of all types, including structural electronics and IMSE. At TactoTek, our mission is to develop and license InMold structural electronics technologies that enable brands to create differentiated and compelling user experiences. IMSE technology is horizontal in appeal, and we have strong demand from many markets, led by automotive, appliances, and smart home OEMs. We've won many awards with our IMSE technology, and we're extremely proud of that. And we also recognize that having great technology and technology awards just proves that it's a great science experiment. What's really compelling for us is the value of solutions built with our technology. And that's what motivates everyone at TactoTek, getting that technology into the marketplace and making it globally accessible. As an example from smart home, the passive bolt Shepherd Smart Lock, which is on the market now, has an IMSE front cover that includes capacitive touch and illumination features. It won the 2020 CES Innovation Award, and their second generation has won the 2021 Innovation Award. On the right is a steering wheel example that includes capacitive touch controls and illumination features that are implemented using IMSE. Some of the benefits of IMSE is that they are very light and thin parts. That thinness not only is great packaging, but it also makes them easier to integrate in new locations where electronic functionality is desired. They're very reliable and very durable because all of the electronics are encapsulated in high pressure, high temperature injection molded plastics like polycarbonate and TPU. Now, we have a lot of specialized products in the marketplace, whether it's different models of vehicles or